In this video, I'll show you how to create and save custom export presets in the Modern Experience export selection in Camtasia for Windows version 2022.5.0 going forward. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So this is the latest Camtasia and this is the one for 7th February 2023. So it has a new kind of option to create and save presets. So let's go to the export tab here and then go to local 5 mp4 GIF m4 etc. Click on that, and then once this particular option loads, that is the dialog box, export local file. You can title your file whatever you want. You can select the mp4 file etc. But let's assume you are not seeing the advanced settings. To create the export preset, you'll need to click on this drop down, and then at the time of recording this video you have a default of custom, but probably you have a basic mp4 as the default. So let's assume you now want to create your own custom one. So let's say we want the dimensions to be of the current project, the encoding to be a frame rate of 30. That's okay. And then let's say we use GPU encoding. You see the preset gets to custom, and let's say we want to keep the quality at around 78. Actually, let's leave it at 76, and then we say the audio at 192. Once you do that, to create your preset, you'll notice that this particular plus is now active. It helps you save preset based on the selected file type and advanced settings. So click on that and then type in a preset name. Let's say YouTube tutorials. Click OK. So once you do that, if you click on this drop down, you'll now see your saved presets right here. Simply put, that is how you can add custom presets. If you'd like to delete it, let's say we go select this one that was there already, just select it like that and then click on delete selected preset, click OK and delete, and it's gone. So if you look on the drop down, it's no longer available. It's only the YouTube tutorials preset we just saved right now. Simply put, that is how you can create and save custom export presets in Camtasia for Windows version 2022.5.0. I hope this tutorial is of value to you. Thanks for watching.